Transparent cases are the most used cases for mobile phone, but with time they get yellow. In this video I am gonna discuss real reason why do they get yellow. On YouTube you will find tons of crazy solutions,
life hacks,
where they claim to fix this. Someone says use Colgate, others says use baking soda or Eno or vinegar. We all know they don't work. At the end of this video, we are gonna discuss about is there any working solution to fix this problem. But let's get into reason first. Well, if you were thinking it's because of food stains or dust particles, then you are wrong. These all are myths. Your transparent cases get yellow with time because of sunlight and heat. Yes. Most of these transparent cases are made up of silicon, which chemically reacts with sun rays and heat. In our day-to-day life your phone keeps on getting exposed to sunlight, or sometimes due to long-term heavy usage your phone gets warm. This heat is absorbed by your transparent case while charging, or even if you hold your phone for long, same thing happens, heat from your hands get absorbed by case. Now coming on the solution. But first of all, these things are not gonna work at all. Because main reason behind this is degradation reactions, like photooxidation, thermal, and radiation reaction, and these all are irreversible reactions, which means once they occur there is no way you can undo it or turn it back to normal. Only solution to fix this is buying a new case. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.